Hi friends, this video will cover all the important problems asked in the RRB SSC exam in trigonometry topic. Without wasting the time, let's start the session. See, I need to tell the basic thing here. One hill is present. Okay, I need to climb the hill from the ground because I know the height. I know the height means I need to change the color here. Okay, I will change the color. I know the height is 3 meter, for example, that is the 300 meter. For example, I taken as 3 meter only. I need to climb the hill one, and here it is the from here to there distance is 4 meter. I need to find out the distance. What is the distance from here to there? Here on top any temple is present, like that I am assuming. For example, okay, if you are understanding now, it is triangle formation is present. See, this is the perpendicular thing. Perpendicular is nothing but this is the wall from here to ground level to there. That is 90 degree. That is meant to be 90 degree. And angle is present. What I am climbing from here, that is the angle. Okay. If the perpendicular angle is present, that is the adjacent one. If you understand this topic, definitely could solve any of the problem. And where are the opposite side of angle, where I am changing the color here, where the opposite side of angle is present is the opposite, that is the opposite side. Okay, where the perpendicular opposite is present, that is the hypotenuse one. If you know this topic, definitely you could solve any of the problem. Okay, I need to find out the distance. We already know this is the 3 meter, this is the 4 meter. By using Pythagoras formula from the basic, we already know hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square, because I am using the my handwriting was not good, adjacent square plus opposite square. Now hypotenuse square I need to find out here. The adjacent square is 4 square. Here it is the adjacent is 4, right? 4 square plus 3 square, therefore 16 plus 9, therefore 25. Here it is the hypotenuse square is present. I am changing the color, might be or not aware. Okay, hypotenuse square, therefore shifting over the square to here, that is square root 25. Square root of 25 is 5 is the answer. Therefore from here to there is the 5 meter distance. Like that we could solve any of the problem, because we already understand wherever the perpendicular and theta is present on the triangle, that is the adjacent side. Opposite side, wherever the angle opposite is opposite side, where the perpendicular opposite is the hypotenuse one, because sine theta, this is the one sine theta. Because we are assuming sine theta is nothing but a opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, understand? Opposite is nothing but a this one, opposite, and hypotenuse is nothing but a this one. Like that we need to remember the inverse of sine theta is cosecant theta. Understand? This is the cosecant theta. Like that we are shifting over the hypotenuse by opposite. Here see, inverse of that hypotenuse, cosecant theta is hypotenuse by, okay, here it is opposite side. This is the wrong, friend. This is the opposite one. Hypotenuse by opposite. This is the wrong one. Okay. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Inverse, the cos inverse is secant theta, and tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent, and the inverse of tan is cot theta. Like that, if you remember this problem, please make it done. This is the wrong thing. Hypotenuse by cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. Like that, if you remember this from this table, notice down the concept. What is the other, where if triangle is present like this, see, any of the triangle is present like this for any of the formula. But the thing is, we need to know wherever the perpendicular, wherever the angle, that is the way theta and angle is where, that is the adjacent side. The angle side opposite is opposite side, and this is the side is hypotenuse one. Like that, if you know this topic, definitely could solve any of the problem. Trigonometry is a very easy topic. We can solve any of the problem. Okay, let's take the problems. Okay, I need to highlight few more things here. A triplet. Okay, because no need of you using the Pythagoras formula. If you remember this one, definitely you could solve any of the problems. Okay, 3 4 5 is the triplet. 3 4, no need of applying trigonometry. If you remember 3 4 5 and 8 15 8 15 8 15, here I am writing 8 15 17, as well as 20 21 19. This is the basic things always used to ask in any of the exam. And 40 41 and 9 is the sort of triplet. And examination will ask not at all like that. See, the multiplication of 2 is also the triplet. 6 3 to the 6, and 4 to the 8, and 5 to the 10. This is also the triplet, and into 3 is also the triplet. 3 3 the 9, and 3 4 the 12, and 5 3 the 15. This is all the triplet. Like that here also, into 2 into 3, wherever the what I am written here, multiplication of 2 and multiplication 3 also will be the triplet of this formula. Don't use Pythagoras theorem. If you know the table, definitely could solve any of the problem by using the tables. Okay, let's start the topic. Definitely you could understand. This is the first problem. What I am going to highlight here is in a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, I am taking sin C is equal to sin, we already know sin B. I am taking ABC. Okay, ABC, and I am shifting. This is the angle, this is the 1 theta. Okay, sin C is nothing but a what is the sin C? Opposite by hypotenuse. With the given is phi is opposite, means the theta opposite is opposite one. This is the phi, and 13 is hypotenuse here given 13, because the angle of hypotenuse is this one, perpendicular opposite is this one. Okay, here what is the thing here? What is the thing? We need to find out. We already know the 5 triplet. We already know 5, 13, 12 is the triplet. Directly I am solving. This is the 12 is the answer. I know that one. Or else if you have Pythagoras theorem, 13 square is equal to 5 square plus question mark square. This is the question what I am thinking. 169 is equal to 25 plus x square, or else question mark square. 169 minus 25 is 144. It will take more time. That's what I mean to say. If you know these triplets, definitely you could solve any of the problem. Square, therefore square root of 1 for shifting over the square to here, square root will come. Therefore 12 is the answer. No need of wasting of time, if you, because this is the first problem. That's what I mean to highlight here. Next problem I will not have to highlight any of the things. 5, 13, 12 is the triplet. That's why directly I am written as 12 is the thing. Okay, cos C. Now the triangle is cos A is there. I am taking here cos A. I am taking cos A. Okay, now it is a angle is ABC. We already know the values of these things. Okay, what is the values of this thing? This is the 12, this is the 13, and this is the 5. And now it is the opposite. What is the cos A? Cos A is nothing but a adjacent by hypotenuse 1. What is the secant of C here is given? Secant. Okay, first I will complete this one, then we go back to that one. Cos A is there. What is the adjacent one? Phi is the adjacent, because perpendicular and theta is present here. But I am taking with respect to this one. That's what I am making it angle this one, and this is the face of perpendicular. And what I need to take the adjacent one, because cos is nothing but adjacent. That's what, wherever the perpendicular and theta is present, that is adjacent. This is the phi. Hypotenuse is 13, because perpendicular opposite is hypotenuse. If you know that topic, definitely it could be easy to solve, because it is the, okay, I will change the color here. This is the 13. Okay, here secant C is the present. Secant C nothing but angle. This should be the angle only. Okay, secant is nothing but, already I told, opposite of that one. Hypotenuse is nothing but a hypotenuse by adjacent, 13 by 12. This is the adjacent side, 12, hypotenuse by adjacent. Directly I am written, because secant is the inverse of that one, because I am taking here with respect to angle C. Understand, here A is the angle, here C is the angle, this one. This is the one I am taking, secant C. Therefore 13 here, 13 by 12. Okay, 13 into 12. Already I did a video of shortcut multiplication in our channel. Please see the video. 13 into 12 is the, what is thing, 156. Therefore by using, because 156, how much multiply? Because if you are taking the LCM, 12 13, okay, 60 is the thing, 12 5 is 60. Therefore 13 the 169, because 169, if you are adding that one, what is the answer? 169 plus 60 is 2, 160 plus 60 is 220, 220 plus 90 is 229, divided by 156 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve any of the problem. Don't wasting of time by using this logic. Using triplet only, we can directly return any of the things. Okay, next problem. Okay, second one is there here only present. Okay, I am taking the second one, 2 root 5. Okay, here no triplet is there, just we need to, ABC is the thing. Okay, what is the cot? Cot we already know. What is the cot? Is nothing but a adjacent by opposite. Okay, this is the inverse of tan theta. Okay, what is the adjacent? This is the 1 is the adjacent. Okay, I am taking the angle from here. Okay, cot A is there, I am not taking here. Okay, this is the theta, this is the angle. Now I am taking that this is the 2 is the adjacent here, and root 5 is the opposite. Root 5 is the opposite. By using applying Pythagoras theorem, we need to apply because the no triplet is present on the other side. I am taking the Pythagoras theorem only. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square. Directly I am written 2 square is 5, because if your square root of cancel is 5 only present. Therefore I am shifting over this here. Therefore square root of 5 plus 4 is 9. Therefore root of 9 is 3 is the answer. Therefore 3 is the thing for the hypotenuse one. What is the question? Cos A and cos C. Already I told I am taking the angle. Cos A is nothing but okay, adjacent is should be I am directly written adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent, what is the adjacent one here? Okay, cos A is there, this is the one. Adjacent 2, and what is the hypotenuse one is the 3. Okay, here it is the secant C. Secant C I am taking the shifting over the angle here. Secant C means it is the adjacent one. What is the adjacent one is now it is shifted adjacent. This is the adjacent means this is the one. Root 5 is the adjacent one, because at perpendicular this, if it is a theta one, if the angle, because adjacent and perpendicular is present, this is the adjacent side, then root 5 is the thing. Therefore what is the hypotenuse one? Hypotenuse one is the 3 one. Directly I am written. Therefore if taking the LCM is the common is nothing but the 3. 3 is the LCM. 2 plus root 5 is the answer for this question. Like that we can solve any of the question without wasting the time. Okay, next topic, next question. Okay, next question is, okay, next question, cosecant 35 degree. Okay, fine, this is also a basic thing, because right angle triangle is nothing but a this one. This the 90 degree means this is the other remains will be, because if any of the triangle is there, we need to take it out as 180 degree. Understand? Remaining should be the 35. This is the 90 means remaining should be 35. One more thing is 35. Other thing is 55. Understand? Okay, let's take the problem, because remaining should be, this is also 9. Remaining should be theta. The right angle triangle should be 190 degree. Total should be, therefore one angle should be the 35 degree means, because here it is given the cosecant C 35 degrees given. I am taking the 35 degree, because 90 minus 180 minus 120 is remaining should be 55. Okay, 55 degree. Here it is the 55 degree. Now what is the thing here is cosecant theta is nothing but a hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite means hypotenuse is root 7. Here opposite is nothing but this one, because angle opposite is this one. Therefore 2. I am taking directly because okay, directly, because hypotenuse square root is cancelled. 7 is equal to, okay, I am written here, square root is cancel, because 7 is remaining. Therefore 1 is 2 to the 2 square is 4 plus question mark square. Therefore 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 4 is 3 is equal to question mark square. This is the question mark, don't confusion, this is the question mark. Instead of x I am taking the question mark only without wasting the time. Therefore root 3 is the answer for this one. Here adjacent, now it is adjacent root 3. The question is sin 55 degree. Now I am shifting 55 degree here. Okay, sin nothing but a opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite trines are having, because sound may be not correct, that's what I am loading the voice. Sin 55 degree, because I need to take opposite one, or opposite nothing but a root 3, and here it is the hypotenuse is the root 7 thing. Okay, here plus cot 35 degree. Cot 35 is nothing but adjacent by opposite, because now it is 35 degree means adjacent. What is the adjacent thing here? Because adjacent is nothing but this one only, root 3. Okay, if you are not confused, take the diagram and concentrate on this one only, 35 degree. Here only the one, right? Here it is the adjacent, because both are present perpendicular and theta is present before. Therefore this is the angle theta 3 is the adjacent one, because cot is nothing but adjacent by opposite. Opposite is the 2. Therefore LCM is 2 root 7, because no common thing, 2 root 7 is the thing. Therefore 2 root 3 plus 7 to the root of 3 into 7 is nothing but a 7 3 the 21, answer is this one. Like that we could solve any of the problem for this kind of problem. Okay, the second type problems I will take without wasting the time. Sin theta plus cos theta is 7th, because here I am not at all doing any of the things, directly I am written without wasting the time. Shortcut I will tell. Okay, anyway we know the triplet. Here is the hypotenuse, this is the one, because okay, I will show the long type method also. Okay, the thing is I will show the, you definitely could understand, because if your shortcut is not at all, if you know the basic one, sin theta plus cos theta is 17 by 13. If you are putting squaring of both sides, therefore whole square a plus b, the whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. Therefore I am taking sin square, I am not at all written here. If you are applying this square on both sides, what should be the thing? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, understand? Therefore I am applying the a plus b the whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 17 square is nothing but a 289 and 13 square is nothing but a 169, understand? Because we know the formula of sin square plus cos square theta is nothing but a 1, remember this one. Whereof the sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but a 1 only, 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the long term method. I am showing the shortcut method as well. 169. If we are taking from here to there, now I am shifting directly, I am written as this one, minus 1 now it is coming. Therefore sin theta 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 169 is the LCM, 289 minus 169. Therefore if we are subtracting 289 minus 169 is 120 by 169. Okay, like that we can, because here it's 2 is present, 2 1 the 260 the, therefore answer is 60 by 169 is the answer. Because this is the long cut method, I am showing the shortcut method as well. We already know the triplet, I am already highlighting in the initial level only. See friends, here 13 is the hypotenuse one already, so very well the triplet should be 5 13 12. This is the thing, already we know that one. Okay, because hypotenuse should be the large one, this is the 13. See here I don't know where it is coming, one is present, either should be 5 or 12 is coming, or is 12 or 5 is coming. The question is asking sin theta. Okay, sin theta is nothing but a, what is the thing? Sin theta is nothing but a opposite by hypotenuse, is it? Because I am taking 5 by 13, or here I am taking, or else here it is coming 12 by 15 is coming. Okay, here cos theta either should be 12 by is 13 is adjacent by 12 by 13 is coming, or else 5 by 15 is coming either. Okay, because here it is a bar I am taking by using this logic, because here it is the hint. If you are observe this one, triplet is forming, be either should be 5 or 12. Therefore I multiply this one, what should be the answer? They are coming before 16 by something is coming. Okay, 169 is the answer for this one answer. Because see 12 5 because multiplication is there, sin theta cos theta, 12 5 the 60 and 30 13 the 116 is the answer, or else here also 12 5 the 60. Either you are taking from this kind or this kind, the answer should be same 160. Without wasting time, if you are using the triplet, you will getting the answer for these kind of questions. Okay, next problem, without wasting that time. If sin theta plus cos theta, okay, we are already aware the triplet already I told, this is of the triplet one. I am not at all going to waste the time here. Directly I am written. We know the triplet here. What is the triplet? 17 is coming. Triplet is nothing but a 8 15 17 is the triplet, because 17 is the largest one. This should be the hypotenuse one, understand? Okay, now either should be 5 or 8 5 or 15 is coming, sorry 8 or 15 is coming, 8 or 15 is coming, or else 15 bar 18 is coming. Okay, I am taking directly, I am written as 18 5 the, because 18 5 the, what is the 18 5 the? 120, 18 5 the 15 eighth 120 or else, okay, 15 eighth 120 as well as 17 square is nothing but a 169, 70 square, sorry, 289, 70 square 289 is the answer. Don't confusion, okay, I will return as same as it is. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse, either 8 or 17 is coming, or else 15 or by 17 is coming. Cos theta is the adjacent one, either 15 by 17 is coming or else 8 by 17 is coming. If I multiply, because here question is given as sin theta cos theta, just we are multiplying that one. 15, this is the 8 one, don't confuse, 15 8 the 120 and 17 the 169, like that directly I am written. If you know, if you practice well, definitely you could straight away applying the logic for these kind of questions, okay. Next problem. In a triangle AB is the 90 degree, AB minus BC is the 2 and AC is the 2. To find the value of sin square theta, sin square A minus sin square C. This is also a very important thing. I am taking the shortcut without wasting the time. Shortcut, okay. Observe carefully, friend. Okay, this is the right angle thing. Here it is given as 2 root 5 is the hint for this question. Here it is the 2 root 5. AC is the ABC, 2 root 5, 2 root 5. If we have square root, already I know the things. Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus hypotenuse square, okay, sorry, opposite square, okay. Hypotenuse square is already given 2 root 5 the whole square, okay. This is nothing but a 4 into 5, because root cancel is there, 2 square is 4, therefore 20 is coming. Therefore I know the thing, plus opposite square. See, where the hypotenuse should be 20 means this should be here 4 square is coming as well as 16 and 2 square is coming, either opposite square 4 or else 16. See, the logic is here only 16 or 4 is coming for this one. That means 4 or 2 is coming for this kind of question. Directly I am written 4 or 2 is coming, 4 or 2. Directly I am cancelling all the things. 2 to cancel, 2 is coming, 2 1 the here, now it is shifting 1. Now the triangle become root 5 1 here 2. Therefore sin square A and sin square C is the, we need to calculate sin square A. Now the, this is the A and this is the B and this is the C, right, the A B C. Now the question is sin square is nothing but a, what I am mean to say, this is the angle. Now I am find outing opposite is the one thing, and opposite by, this is the hypotenuse root 5 the whole square. It is given, square is given here for this question, that's what I am taking the square. Sin square, now it is the angle is here. Now opposite should be 2 now. Why? Because this is, it should be shifted to here theta. Then I need the opposite one, that's what 2 is the thing here, 2 divided by root 5 the whole square. Now find 1, anyway root 5 is the thing, is the common thing, LCM 1 minus 4 is the thing. Therefore answer is minus 3 by 5 is the answer for this question, okay. Or else do like that long method also I will tell. See, here it is given AB minus BC is equal to 2. That is the shortcut I said. AB minus BC is the 2 thing. That's what I am taking it as A plus 2 thing. Here it is the A and 2 plus, I don't know the value, that's what I am mean to say. See, I am taking A plus 2 here, and here one thing is, if you cancel this one, 2 is coming, understand, that's what I am taking as A plus 2. I am applying this logic by using A plus 2 the whole square, opposite hypotenuse square, A square is equal to 2 root 5. I am taking check, it take more time, okay. If you're solving like this, it will take more time, that's what I am neglecting that method, that's what I am showing the shortcut directly. If you are doing comfortable with that, just solve from your end only. If you are not at all able to solve, just mention in the comment section, I am not able to solve, I am taking the one more video for this one, okay. Without wasting the time, I am covering all the topic, that's what I am taking very fast, eagerly fast, okay. I am in trigonometry, this is the formula, this is the table for remembering the angles. and I will initiate this one. Basically, if your sine 0 degree is 0, okay, sine 30 degrees nothing but a pi by 6, pi is nothing but a 180, 180 divided by 6 nothing but a 6 to the 13, that's what mean to say 30 degree, understand, because 180 divided by 4 is 45 degree, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 0. See, observe carefully friend, wherever the 0 and 180 is coming, there should be a same thing, 0 is coming, 0 is coming, understand, and wherever the 90 and 270 is coming is there, right, here it is minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, like that. We see cos 0 is 1 and 180 degrees 0, 180, 360 is nothing but the same only, but here it is what mean to say, that is the minus sign, minus sign, observe carefully, here same, and wherever the already told sine and cosecant here from this table for the values, because cos and cosecant is inverse, but here the from the table for the degree 1 table, this is the inverse of those things, 0, 1 by 2, root by 2, root 3, root 3 by 2, 1, and opposite, do the opposite from the values, 0, 1 by 2, sine and cos is the opposite, like that we need to remember. Here tan is also 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, just doing the opposite side. Here tan code, just doing from the opposite, 0, 1 by not determined means ND means not determined, that is the infinite value, because the value we don't know, there should be continue only like that, not determined, we can't predict that one. That's what I mean to say. Please mug it up this formula. Many of the videos are there, shortcuts how to remember this one. I am not at all going to elaborate that one, just remember from the table only. If you remember, many of the available YouTube, many of the videos are available how to remember this table, we could easily solve. I will highlight, basically I would highlight, because because I'm practice well, I know the all the values. Okay, this is the main thing. See, wherever the circle is present, see this, wherever the circle is, 4 quadrants should be present. Okay, this is the one is 0. Okay, I will change the color, 0, 90 degree, 180 degree, here it is 270 degree and 360 degree. Okay, wherever the first quadrant is, all the wherever the sine theta, cos theta, plus all the thetas are the positive thing. Okay, wherever first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, in this second quadrant sine theta and cosecant here mentioned, right, sine theta and cosecant theta should be the present, other than or minus sign. If you are solving the problem, definitely could understand the topic. And ASTC rule, this is the one. If you remember, A means all the things, sine means sine, cosecant already told, inverse of these things we need to remember. And wherever the in third quadrant 180 to 270 degree, only tan and cos should be positive, other than that remaining angle C is the negative sign. Okay, wherever the fourth quadrant is there, where the cos, C is nothing but a cos, S is nothing but a sine, T is nothing but a tan, like that we ASTC rule. If you know this topic, definitely you could solve any of the problem. Okay, for 90 degrees things, the sine angle should be changed. If you are solving the problem, definitely you could just note it down. If any in 90 degrees present, the cos sin theta become cos theta, tan theta become cos theta, secant theta become cosecant theta. We already know the sin theta what is named by opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent by opposite side. This is the next version of the problems of the trigonometry. Remember, in 180 degree, nothing will be changed. The sine should be sine only, cos should be cos only, tan should be tan, all the angles should be same. In 270 and 90 degree, the sign should be changes same as it is 91. Wherever the 0, 180, 360 nothing but the same. Wherever the 90, 180 like that, it should become wherever 0, wherever the 9 multiples is coming, that should be sign should be converted as cos. Like that, we need to cross. Likewise, it should be changed. Okay, I will take the problem. Definitely, you could understand the problem. Okay, I will take the first one, sine 120 degree. Okay, sine 120 degree, already I told sine first quadrant I will return. This is the one ASTC rule, sine 120 degree without wasting the term, sine 120 degree. Okay, sine 120 degree is nothing but a, already I told, sine of 90 plus 30. Okay, we need to mug it out thing. Okay, already I told 90 is coming. This is the first quadrant, that should be shifted to the second quadrant because 120, the sign should be changing as 90 means should be changing as cos theta, but here it is sine and cos. Sign should be the present, positive only. For this a second quadrant, sign should be present. I will take it as positive only, but sign should be changing as cos theta, cos of 30 degree. Understand? Cos of 30 degree. Cos of 30 degree is nothing but by root 3 by 2 is the answer for this question. Root 3 by 2. That's what I mean to say. We need to, because remember, sine of 120 degree is nothing but I am taking as 90 plus 30, because wherever the 90 is coming, because sign should be changing as cos theta. That's what cos 30 degree. Because why I am taking the positive one, because in that wherever the 0 to 90 is the thing, all the angles should be positive way. Any of the, because if any given sine 30 is given, only one thing, that should be the only positive value I am written. Here it is sine 120 is given because it should be going to the second quadrant. Here first quadrant, second quadrant. Means second quadrant sine and cosecant are the positive one, because here given question is sine one, therefore positive I am directly written first one. First is the important thing. This is a positive sign because this is the second quadrant, sine is the thing. Therefore second one cos, because 90 is there, because sine should be converted as cos theta, therefore cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 is the answer for this question. That's what I mean to say. Remember this table, that's what here is cos 30 degree. Here cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, what I am highlighting in the mouse. Understand? Okay, cos 150 degree. Okay, I am taking the second question, cos 1. That's what I mean to say. All the question I am taking. Okay, cos 150 degree was 150 degree I am taking. Okay, cos of 1 degree I am taking the 91, or else do the same as a 180 minus 30 also. Which one is comfortable, do like them, because I am taking the 51 is the best thing. 90, that's what 90 plus 60. Understand? Okay, anyway in second quadrant 90 plus is there, because 0 to ASTC it should be negative only. Why? Because cos should be negative, because sine and cosecant second quadrant should be here 90, here 180, because question is 150, in between that one it is coming, therefore cos should be second quadrant is negative only, therefore cos should be converting as sine of, because 90 is present, sine of 60. Okay, sine of 60 is what is the thing we know already, minus sine 60 is sine 60 root 3 by 2. Well, like that we need to remember the table, we can easily solve. This is the thing. Okay, next one, tan 135 degree. Tan of 135 means I am taking as 190 plus same as it is 45. Okay, tan should be converting as 90 means cot, because here it is second quadrant should be lies in the second quadrant. That's what it meant to be. I take it as negative initial things. Now make it down. Cot 45 degree is nothing but a minus 1 is the thing. Remember, please remember, then come back to this problem. This should be very easy. Okay, this is the one highlighting here. Okay, next problem. Sine 1 cosecant 225. Cosecant 225, what I mean to say is I am taking cosecant of 180 okay, plus whatever the things, 225 minus 180, 45 is the coming. Okay, here it is come lies in the third quadrant. Nothing but only tan and cot is the positive, therefore negative I am written. 180 I am not at all going to change anything, because this is a 180, no change of angles anything. Cosecant only, cosecant of 45 degree. Cosecant of 45 is nothing but a 1. Okay, minus sign is the minus 1 is the answer for this question. That's what I am taking the different thing. Why? Because I am not at all going to confuse any of the thing. If you know this logic from this, wherever the quadrant is present, first or second, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. First quadrant should be all the angles are positive. In second quadrant only sine and cosecant are the positive. In third quadrant tan and cot is the positive, and last is the cosine secant is the, that's what ASTC rule. Understand? AS and all sine, tan, cos, like that. It is very simple. Okay, next problem I am taking. sine 1920. Fine, this is the best thing. Okay, I am taking as already 360. I am segregate 360 into 5 plus 120. Understand? Okay, now it is 120 is coming. Calculate from your end. Directly I am written without wasting the time. Okay, here it is. Now it is 360 and come back to 360 plus means it coming to the here, because all the signs should be positive here only, because no need of change here. 360 plus means should be here only. That's what I'm not going to change any of the things. Therefore sign should be not changed, because 360 no need of change. Sign of 120 is coming. Now it is shifted to the second quadrant. I am taking as 90 plus 30. I am written 90 plus 30. I am segregating here, because if you are making like that, it could be very easy. Now it is shifting here. 360 plus means all should be, because 120 I am taking again, 90 plus 30 I am taking. For the sign 90 means 90 is coming, it should be changing. Yes, sign should be positive only for the second quadrant, because 90 to 180, right? Second quadrant. Okay, sign should be converting here, because second 90 is there. Sign should be converted as cos. Cos of 30 is nothing but a root 3 by 2 is the answer, positive sign. Why? Because sign is the positive for the second quadrant. Fine. Next problem. Tan 930 degree. Tan 930 degree is nothing. I am taken as I am taking more problem, because I need to complete all the problems over in one video only. 360 into 2 plus 210. Okay, I am taking this, nothing of change here, because calculate from your 360 into 2 plus 220, there should be the 930 only coming. And tan 210 I am segregating as again tan of 180 plus 30. Okay, for the third quadrant is coming 180 by 270, because in third quadrant there should be positive only, because and 180 is the thing is no need of change of angles. Tan should be tan only, because 180, 180, 360 no need of change of any of the angles. Tan should be tan only. For tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is nothing but a answer is 1 by root 3 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve any of the problem. Okay, next problem I will take it as, I will make it out fast. Cot theta is equal to this is also very simple problem. If you know the logic of the table, that means triplet, we could solve. I am making fast here, we already know the things are easy now. Now here triplet is coming, 3 4 is there, nothing but it is 5 only, because hypotenuse is the larger one. Here it is 3 4. Cot theta is nothing but a 3 by 4. I will directly shifting as what is the question, 5 sin 2 theta plus 4 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Okay, fine, no need of thing. Sin theta is nothing but a 2 sin theta cos theta. Remember this one. Okay, 2 sin theta cos theta, this is the theta one, and 4 sin theta. This is a very easy one. Now I am, by using the triplet logic, I am taking this one, just I am formulating the formulas. That's what 5 into 2, make it as simple, because theta no need of angle anything, no need of change. Sin theta is nothing but a opposite by hypotenuse. Directly I am written as 3 by 5. Okay, next cos is nothing but adjacent by adjacent, nothing but a wherever the perpendicular and opposite is present on the layer, that should be the adjacent one. 4 by 5 plus 4 into, already we know that logic, 3 by 5 plus 4 into here it is the thing, 4 into okay. Okay, remember friends, if the quadrant is changed, just I am changing the quadrant. Let's see if the quadrant is changed, nothing but how it should be changed. I am not going to do any of the things, just I am changing the quadrant. For example, sin theta, I am taking the third quadrant should be present. how the problem could be. If third quadrant is present, just make it down, or else second quadrant. Okay, fine, second quadrant sign is present, is there, right? In second quadrant sign is present, I will take it as positive only. In cos theta in second quadrant, make it as minus. Just I am assuming, if the problem is coming like that, definitely it could be easy one. Cos theta is nothing but a 3/5, because negative is coming, right? Negative positive, because cancelling from here only, because those values are same only. See, 4 3/5, 4 3/5 is same. That's what I am mean to say. Okay, this is a good thing. I need to highlight here. Or else if it is a third quadrant, okay, I will not taking as third quadrant. Okay, I will not going to. If it is in the third quadrant, sin also make it as negative, as well as cos also making as negative only. Correct, right? Because third quadrant only the tan and cot are the positive. If it is a positive one, I am taking as a negative thing. This is also a negative thing. That should be answer should be a very easy thing, because if it is also negative should be positive only. Okay, here cancel 4 to the a, 8 is the 24/5. Okay, minus is there because I am taking the third quadrant is present. Just I am, because of it could be very easy. 3 4 the 12, 12/5 minus 12/5. Okay, fine, the LCM nothing but a 5 only. 24 minus 12 is 24. Therefore answer should be the 0 thing. Okay, fine. If it is a depend upon the quadrant also asking the question, please aware of this one. Just I am highlighting here, because I am not going to do all the problems individually. That's what I am highlighting here. If the quadrant is changing, please use the logic of the ASTC rule. Okay, next problem. Cot theta is equal to, okay, this one is all right. Okay, cot 90 plus a, fine. I need to highlight one more theory. Wherever the cos of minus theta is nothing but a cos theta only. Understand? Wherever the secant of theta minus theta is nothing but a secant theta only, because that should be the positive only. That's what I mean to highlight here is, okay, cos of 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta is nothing but already should be 90 plus is there. It should be changing to sine. Okay, sine of a, fine. Okay, the 360 nothing but is not at all change. Sine of minus theta already I told, if any minus theta should be converted as a positive one. So directly I am taken as secant a, fine. Tan of 120 is nothing but a 120, because tan only in 180 is there, the angle should be same only, because minus should be there. 180 tan of a, because here given as minus of this one, 180 minus, we don't know exactly where it is minus. 180 is there. If it is present 180 plus, that should be I am taken as positive one, because 180 minus is there. I don't know exactly whether it's 0 or not. I will take it as negative only, tan of a. Understand? Might be you are aware that one. Secant of a minus 7 theta, because no need of change anything. Directly I am written as secant, because secant of minus theta is secant theta only. Secant a, directly I am written. Sine of 540 is nothing but it should be converted as 360 180. Okay, 360 180 is nothing but a 540. No need of change anything, because this is a 360 160. Therefore directly I am written as sine a only, because cot of a minus 90, because the quadrant should be a minus 90. Therefore I directly written as cot is nothing but changing, because 90 is there, 90 plus or minus changing, because tan directly I have written as tan a, and it should be the minus thing. Why? Because it should be, I don't know where it is lies, whether it is, if it is a first quadrant only, I would make it as positive one. Therefore sin cancel, secant cancel, sin cancel, secant cancel, and tan cancel. Answer should be the 1 is the answer for this question. Okay, like that way I am solving second one also. Let's solve the question. Sin 540 directly I am written as sin is nothing but a sin only, sin theta only. Why? Because 360 180 sin theta only, and it is making as cosecant means it should be an 90 plus is there. Okay, I will take it as it should be converted as cosecant is nothing but a, it should be converted as secant 1 secant of theta. Okay, 270 plus a, because here 270 plus theta it should be minus, because here it is, if it is secant of minus theta is secant theta, but here from the quadrant was 270 In this we need to take it as -1. Okay, tan 220, that means 720, that should be taken directly. I am written as tan theta only. Okay, then it should be, okay, I will make it as, okay, this is also make it as I will make it as 271. How the problem should be tan theta as well as sin theta. This also the sin theta, because why? Because 270 is there, the angle should be changing, sin theta. Therefore and here it is also secant theta. Like that, given cancel, like that it should be cancel for everything. Why it is minus? Because 120 here it is tan and only present for the third quadrant. Therefore cancel for all the things. So the answer should be 1. Like that we could solve any of the problem. Just I am highlighting for what kind of problem is coming. We could solve these kind of problems. Okay, next problem is sin square 60. Fine. Directly I am written. How could be the thing? Sin 60 is nothing but a root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Fine. Cos 30 is nothing but a root 3 by 2 only. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Cot 45 square is nothing but a 1. Directly I am writing 1 square is 1 only. And secant is nothing but secant 60 is nothing but a root 2. Directly I am written root 2 is nothing but a 2 only. Therefore minus cosecant 30 is nothing but a root 2. That means if a square cancelled, is 2 is coming. Okay, cos 180 degree is nothing but 1. 2 cancel here. Therefore the thing is now square root of 3 by 4 plus here remaining is root 3 by 2 the root 3 by 2 the whole 3 by 4 plus 2. Therefore LCM is the fourth thing, 3 plus 3 plus 8. Therefore 311 plus 14 by 4 is the answer. 14 by 4 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve any of the problem by using this logic. Let's take the few more problems to solve. Okay, this is the formula I need to highlight here is sin square plus sin square b is equal to 1. Please remember this formula. If you remember this formula, definitely you could solve any of the problem, because none of the trigonometry people are not at all saying using this formula like that. If you are using this formula, definitely you could solve any of the problem. I have divided it here. Please remember this one. Cot A cot B is equal to 1. Sin A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to sin, because the angle should be the 90 degree. If any triangle is angle should be A plus B plus C is the 90 degree, the formula should be present. Please remember, I am not at all going to describe any of the theorem, because this is the basic one. If you remember this formula, tan A tan B is equal to 1, cot A cot B is equal to 1. See, observe carefully, wherever the secant is there, tan A is there, sin secant, cos A cosecant, and tan cot. Like that we need to segregate. For remember this formula, we could easily remember any of the formula. Okay, remember this formula. Just I am going to the problem, note it down in your paper, and then come back here. After that I am solving the question here. Maybe you will understand this question. Okay, first question I am taking here. Cot x minus 50 is equal to tan 80 minus 2. Already I told cot A is equal to tan B. On that time, if these kind of problems, we are adding those values. That means x minus 50 plus 80 minus 2x is equal to 90. That is 90. Already I told, in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, the formula should be presented. Remember those formula in the table. Therefore minus 2x is equal to minus x only. Minus x is equal to 1. Here it is the, what is the 80 thing. 80 minus 50 is 30. 30 if you are shifting over there, 90 minus 30. Okay, minus x is equal to 60. Therefore x is equal to minus 60 is the answer. If you are shifting over the tan of minus 60, given question is we need to shed. Okay, mouse is not coming correctly, sorry. Tan of minus 60 plus question is cos of 60 is the thing. Okay, we already know tan of 60 is nothing but a root 3 minus of root 3 and cos of 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore answer is 1 by 2 root 3 is the answer for this question. Please remember the table of the that one calculation table. So what is the sine 0 degree, 120 degree, what is the cos degree, that one table has for the formula. If you know, if you see the problem, the apply this logic wherever the cot A is equal to tan A, just apply using this logic and complete the problem. No need of doing any of the things. See, already I noted down the problem. Where is the thing? Tan A, cot tan A, cot A is equal to tan B is equal to 90 degree. If any type, this is the only logic for the right angle triangle formula. Okay, next problem. Tan 2 theta into tan 3 theta is equal to 1. Okay, already I note down here. What is the thing? Tan A, tan B is equal to 1. Okay, fine. Is 90 degree. Just adding those things. 2 theta plus 5 theta is equal to 90. Okay, theta is equal to 90 by 5 is nothing but a 18. Okay, from that 18 for the 90. Okay, just apply this logic here. Sine of 18 for the, what is the 18 for the 90? 90 by 2 is 45. Okay, fine, I will take it as one more step. 90 by 2, therefore sine of 45 degree, because 90 by 2 is 45 degree, 45, therefore cos of 45 degree. Here it is a simple one. 1 by root 2, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, cos of 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore answer should be root 2 is the thing. Therefore off is the answer for this question. Okay, off is the answer by using this LCM. Square root, that means if square root of the whole square is equal to 1 plus 1. Okay, like that square root like that we could solve any of the problem by using this question. Okay, next problem, sorry, this is the root 2 into root 4 is coming. The root 4 is 2, 1 by 2 is the answer for this question. By using this logic we can easily solve any of the question. Okay, next problem is if a plus b is equal to 90. This is also simple logic. By using this formula directly I can able to see tan A tan B is equal to 1. Understand? See friends. Okay, I'm taking the red ink one. See, tan A tan B is nothing but the 1 only. Here where is the tan A tan B is the thing. Directly I am written as 1. Okay, I show the 1 plus tan A cot P, tan A cot P. What is the logic behind here? The tan A cot P. Tan A cot P we could written as tan A is equal to cot P. Then I will take it as tan. I will translate it as cot B is equal to tan A. Tan A. Okay, I'm taking as tan A only. Tan A only. Fine. This is the root up to here is present. Okay. Okay. Fine. Therefore sin square b cos square b is the thing. Here it is the, I could written as sin square cos square b is nothing but a 1 only. Directly I am written as, or else okay, and sin a secant p is also a similar thing, is the one thing. Here highlight what I am here, because 1 of here it is a 1 plus tan square. Okay, here it is the, sorry friends, here sin square a I could written as sin square a written as cos square b. Therefore here is the typing mistake. Cos square b divided by cos square b is the cancel thing. Therefore answer should be the 1 only. Directly I am written as 1 square root up to the 1 minus 1. Therefore 1 cancel here. Here also 1 cancel. Therefore now it is the tan square thing. Tan square a. For here is cancelled. Tan A is the answer for this question. Like that, if you are using this logic by using this formula, that's what I mean to say. Behind here I am written here. By using this logic we can easily solve any of the question. Okay, fine. Next problem, please note it down. This is the sin square a. Sin square a we could written up, because by using this sin a is equal to cos b, directly I am written as sin square a is equal to cos square b, because cancel 1 is coming. Okay, next question. Okay, fourth one. Secant square a plus secant square b minus secant square. Okay, fine. This is also very easy thing. Secant is nothing but we know 1 by cos square a plus 1 by, if handwriting is not right, definitely I know that my handwriting is washed. Let's solve the question. I could written as 1 by cos square a minus 1 by, I would written as okay, fine. One thing I am mistaken here. I could written as secant is I mean taking as cosecant 1. Why? Because secant a is equal to cosecant b is there. I could written as directly because bb is there, cosecant a. Fine, cosecant. Here also secant is nothing on as cosecant 1 directly without wasting the time. Why I am using okay cosecant. Okay, I will return rub this one. Fine. First, if you not understand, fine. Okay, here directly written as cosecant square. Yeah, converting as all the terms as a, and this one is as cosecant square a. Okay, fine. This is the into one. Don't confusing here. This is the into. If it is like the plus is the, I would cancel here only, because the problem will not at all like that. Cosecant square a. Now the all the terms is converting as a cosecant and secant. Now I am taking as secant as 1 by cos a, as well as plus 1 by this is cos square. Cosecant is nothing but a sine 1 of sine inverse. I already told cos inverse is sine, cosecant inverse is sine, as well as the cos inverse is secant, sine square, minus 1 by cos square a into 1 by cos cosecant, right? Cosecant is nothing but a sine thing, sine of sine square a. Okay, don't confuse, my handwriting is worse because I am using the mouse without wasting my money, because this is I am not wasting any of the money for the YouTube. That's what I mean, I need to give the knowledge to all. Okay, fine. By using this one, I am taking by taking the LCM here directly. I am from this LCM sine square a is equal to cos square a, because sine square a plus cos square a minus of 1 by sine square a into cos square a. Okay, cos square a. Now the term should be cancelling. My mouse is not doing correct. Fine, I'm changing the mouse point. Fine. Okay, sorry. Okay, sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Now the whole term become other thing. Sorry, this term should be become sin square a cos square terms become 1 now. Sin square a minus cos square a minus 1 by sin square a cos square a. Therefore the term should be cancelled. Now it is a zero thing. Here it is c friends, because sin square cos square is the LCM one. Sin square plus cos square, already I told by using this formula. Sin square plus cos square is nothing but a 1 only. 1 I am directly written here. It is the 1 by sin square cos square. Now the terms become 1 by same is nothing but same. Cancel over there. The answer should be 0 for this question. Okay, next problem. A plus b is equal to 90 degree. This is also a simple one. Okay, I solved this one. Sorry. Fine. This is the one. Now this is the fifth one. Okay. I directly written as 1 by cos square, directly cos square b, because sin square plus cos square theta, sin square a plus cos square a, already I told sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to a not is 1. Okay, here I am directly written as sin square a, fine. 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but a cosecant square theta, the cosecant square a, and then 1 plus tan is nothing but a secant square b. Okay, this is the thing. Please observe carefully, friend. Wherever the cos and cosecant is there, a and b, that should be the one thing, and wherever the sin and secant is the one thing. 1 into 1 should be the 1 only. Answer should be 1 is the answer for this question. See, applying this logic, if you know this problem, if you know this formula, definitely you could answer any of the question. Okay, next type of problems I need to solve. This is the problem tan 5 degree and 10 degree and 15 degree and 20 degree. How could we solve these kind of problems without wasting the time? Okay, for this kind of, already I told tan a tan b, because here is the multiplication is there, because 90 is there, 85, observe carefully, this is the 85 plus 5 is nothing but a 90 degree, and wherever the tan a tan b is coming, because angles are changing, this is the a taken, the b is taken, or if you are using this like this logic also, the answer should be the same. Therefore 1 is the answer. Directly I would written as 1 is the answer by using this tan a tan b is the one thing. See, observe carefully, this is also the same, cot a cot b. Directly I have written 82, or else 88 plus 2 is also 90 if you are adding like that, if you concept, or else using cot a cot b logic, the answer should be 1 by using this formula, so okay, next problem is sin square 5 plus 5. Okay, for this kind of, if any place is there, use this logic, because this is the n terms problem for the number system. I have directly tell the formulas how could be, if it taking long, it will take more times. What is the n series for the time? See, n is equal to number of terms, wherever the last number is present, I will formula written last number minus first number. Okay, remember this formula, first number divided by common difference is nothing but a, wherever the difference 5 and 10 is, 5 is the difference, this is the common difference. I will solve the problem, I am definitely would understand, plus 1. Then the a is the term is to find out the initial thing, n by 2, like that you should be asking the question. A is equal to number of terms by divided by 2. Therefore n is equal to number of, what is the number of terms, like that asking the question. Number of terms is nothing, last number minus, what is the last number, 85 minus 5, what is the common difference between 10 and 5 is 5 plus 1. Therefore 80 by 5 plus 6, 80 how much, 16 5 the 80, therefore 16 this is the 1, therefore 17 is the answer. Therefore A is the term. What is the initial term for those things? 17 by 2 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve any of the things, or else 18 by 2. What is the thing? 8 or 8 and off, or else because 8 to the 2 8 is 16. Like that we could solve any of the problem. Okay, next problem I will take this one. I completed this one. Okay, same as it is. First term, last term is, what is the last term? 88, and first term is the 2. And the common difference between 2 and 4 is 2 plus 1. Therefore 86 by 2 plus 1. Therefore 86 43 plus 4, that is nothing but 44. Is the initial term. What is the term? N by 2. Already I told. What is the n thing? 44 divided by 2, that is nothing but a 22 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem, cos square plus, this is also same thing. Any of the problem, okay, do from your end. I will not solve problem, I will tell here only. 89 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 88 by 2, that is 88 by 2 is 40. Okay, I will solve the problem, no need of offering anything. Okay, 89 minus 1 is 88 by 2, n term I am calculating, plus 1. Therefore 44 plus because 44 is, now it is 44 plus 5 is 45. Therefore the A is equal to 45 by 2, nothing but 22.5 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve any of the problem. Okay, next problem, sin square A by 2. Okay, observe carefully friend, for these kind of problems, for this kind of A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is a time in a triangle it is mentioned, or else if you are divided by 2, A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to, in a triangle ABC, therefore 180 divided by 2. Okay, here it is given A by 2, therefore I could written as A by 2 plus B by 2 or plus C by 2 is nothing but a 90 only. Observe carefully, A plus B plus B2 directly I have written as this one. Okay, like that, this one. Okay, therefore answer should be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, answer should be 3 is the answer for this question. A plus B plus C is equal to, and nothing but a 1 only. Therefore answer should be A plus B plus C. Sine of 90 degree is 1. Therefore sine of 90 degree is nothing but a 1, means I am taking right hand directly as 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 is the answer for this question, directly written. Please don't waste your time for these kind of problems. We can easily solve for these kind of problems. Okay, next problem, without wasting the time, 4 sin square plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 2 root of 3 minus sin 2 theta. Okay, find these kind of problems. This is also a very easy one. Observe carefully friends, how could be solved. I could written as 2 sin theta the whole square. Understand? I could written as root 3 cos theta the whole square minus, I am taking shifting over to here, 2 root 3, I am taking sin theta, already I told, 2 sin theta cos theta, and directly written 2 sin theta cos theta. Fine. Now to sure, I directly have written A plus B the whole square formula is common. Directly I have written as 2 sin theta, 2 sin, directly I am written 2 sin theta minus root 3, this is sorry, root 3 cos theta the whole square. Cos theta the whole square is equal to 0. Therefore for this kind of logic, for if any problem is coming like this, just taking the term for this sin theta by cos theta, now it is 0 is there, right? Directly I am written 2 sin theta is equal to 0, or separate term directly I am written as root 3 cos theta is term is given. I could written as directly, if you are doing like this, sin theta by cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, like that directly written. The question is asking the secant theta 1. The thing should be easy now. Okay, how could be the thing? Sin theta cos theta is nothing but the tan theta. Tan theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore tan theta is nothing but a opposite by adjacent. What is opposite is root 3. What is adjacent is nothing but a 2. If your hypotenuse, if you using the formula 3 cancel, 3 plus 4 is root 7. Fine, this is the root 7 is coming, because why? Because shifting over the cancelled square root. Okay, 4 plus 3 is the 7. That's what I am directly written as root 7. Therefore, what is the thing here? Secant theta. Secant theta is nothing but a opposite of cos theta. That means adjacent by hypotenuse by adjacent. Therefore, answer should be the hypotenuse. I will written hypotenuse by adjacent. Answer is, here it is, hypotenuse is the root 7, and what is the adjacent one? Adjacent is here is the 2 1. Like that, we could solve the problem by using this kind of logic. If you're knowing this problem, because I am doing all the steps. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, because I am doing very fast, because I need to complete all the topics of the trigonometry. That's what I am making in the one video only. Don't make confusion. Okay, okay, I am taking the formula. Okay, fine. For these types of problem, already I did the component dividend method. I am tagging the description section. Please see the video. See, separate topic I did the video. See, wherever the x plus 1 by x is there is equal to minus 1, the term s cube is term converted to 1. Okay, I completed the topic in component dividend. Please see the video in the I section or in the description section. Please see. If you know this logic, you could solve. See, we already know tan theta. Okay, by using this logic I am taking, this is the logic behind here for this problem. Okay, cos theta is nothing but a 1 by tan theta. We already know, already I told. Okay, now it is the term of this one. Understand? X is taken as x. This is the term. The x cube is nothing but a 1. Then I have taken as tan cube theta is equal to, because 3 3 the 9. I am segregating that one. Okay, no need of confusing, because cot I am taking 1 by, because we know that x cube, that nothing but the tan cube. Now here it is term x is nothing but a tan here. Tan cube is nothing but converting as 1 here. That's what I am converting as cot into 1 by tan theta whole cube. Therefore, here term is 1 plus 1 divided by 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. Like that, we could solve any of the problem by using component dividend method. Please remember this logic. If any format is coming 1 plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1, the any terms is like the 3 multiples. You apply this logic, you can easily get the answer for these kind of questions. Okay, next problem. Okay, this is the problem. Cos theta. This is also simple one. Already I told, this is the one logic, component dividend method. I solved the problem. X plus 1 by x is equal to root 3. Therefore, x to the power of 6 is converted as minus 1. This is the logic behind on component dividend in the algebra topic. Please solve the problem. Please see the video. Definitely could understand. Directly I am using the logic. Okay. Here the question is asking as cos theta is there, right? I am taking as cos theta 1 only, cos theta thing, and I am taking as this one 1 by cos theta. Okay, root 3. This is the same thing here. What am I? Therefore, cos of 6 is converted to minus 1. See, now I need to solve this one, right? Just I am converting as cos of, okay, cos of, what is the thing? Cos of 6 divided by 3, because theta I need this one, plus cos of 6 theta by 3. Now, sorry, this is the secant 1 by cos. Directly I have written 1 plus, because I am converting cos 6 already I told 1 is there. Sorry, minus 1. This is the minus 1 thing. Cube here it is the cube. Sorry, this is the square, because 12 is there, right? Sorry, this is the 12 and this is the 18. That's what I make it as 6 to the 18 minus 1. Okay, I have written here only, don't confuse me here. Okay, 1 square of 1 is square only, plus 1 by, this is the minus 1, here it is minus 1, the cube. Therefore 1. Okay, here it is the minus 1. Now it is converted to the minus 1. Therefore cancel. 0 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve any of the problem by using the algebra topic. Please see the algebra video, definitely go solve any of the problem. Separate algebra topic as well as the component dividend topic, I covered all the problems. Please see the examination topic problems, please see. Okay, next problem, component dividend method. Next types of problem I will share one thing here. In component dividend topic I covered one thing. If any a by b is there, a by b is equal to c by d is there, therefore a plus b is nothing but a minus b. Okay, for these terms I am taking as I written as these things, c plus these things, these whatever the terms is I am written as c plus d by c minus d, or else a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to 0. Like that I am writing. See, this is the formula, this is the problem first I am taking. 1 plus cos theta is there, right? I directly written as this is the problem, this format, a plus b is there, right? The a is sin theta cos theta, directly I have written as sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, as well as this one 9 by 1 is there, I am taking as 9 plus 1 is nothing but sin theta by cos theta is equal to 10 by 8, because 9 plus 1 is 10, 9 minus 1 is 8. I directly written. Therefore how much it is? 5, 8, 2, 5 the 2, 4 the. Okay, now the question is asking sin theta. Okay, the question is asking for the sin theta. Fine, not a problem. Okay, now it is the tan 1, tan is equal to sin theta by cos theta, tan 5 by 4 is there. Therefore what is the tan is the thing is the opposite by adjacent, 5 by 4. Therefore the hypotenuse is 25 plus 16 is nothing but a 41, root of 41 is the thing, root of 41. What is the sin theta? Sin theta is not a question, is given as sin theta. Therefore sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but a, what is the opposite term? Root of 41 divided by 5 is the answer for this question. Like that we could solve for these kind of questions. Okay, I'm not wasting the time here. Okay, next problem here only I'm taking without wasting the time. Okay, sin theta, directly I'm written as sin theta by cos theta is equal to 5 by 4 is the 9 thing, and 5 minus 4 is the 1. Okay, therefore now we shifted to tan is equal, tan theta is equal to 9. Okay, tan theta is equal to 9. Fine, here is question is given a tan square, there directly I am written 9 square plus 1, 9 square minus 1. Therefore answer should be 81 plus 2 is 82, 9 square is 81, 81 minus 1 is 80 is the answer for this question. Like that we can easily solve for this kind of question. Okay, next problem is the 19 sin 2 theta by 921. Okay, fine, this is also very easy problem. How could we solve for this kind of problem? 19 sin theta is equal to 21 cos theta. Okay, fine, I directly written as sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 21 divided by 19. By component of dividend method, what should be written as 21 by, okay, fine, directly written as, this is the one thing here, it is present, right? Okay, could I written as 1 plus sin 2 theta? 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta, already told. Okay, fine, here it is the same as it is, sin square theta plus cos square theta, because for the stepwise I am doing the problem, minus, here it is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. I directly written as sin square theta plus cos theta the whole square, sin theta minus cos theta the whole square. Understand? Could I write as, already I know component dividend method, 21 plus 19 is 40, as well as divided by 21 minus 19 is 2, directly I am written here, therefore 20 is the answer. Here it is a square is there, I am shifting over to the 20 square is there, whole square is there, therefore 20 square is nothing but a 400 is the answer for this question. If you are not understand, please see the component denominator how we can solve the problems. I solved all the problems in the component denominator method. Just I have applied the logic because one is nothing but a directly I can apply because of understanding problem. If I'm not understanding the thing, definitely could not solve the problem. That's what I'm making sure all the steps are highlighted here. One, I can return as sin square plus cos square theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. Directly written sin theta plus cos theta is equal to this thing. Because sin theta cos theta we already know. Sin theta plus cos theta is nothing but 21 plus 19 by using component of things 40, and sin theta minus cos theta 21 minus 19 is 2, because whole square is present. Directly I am written a whole square. 20 square is nothing but a 400. Okay, fine. Next problem. Okay, this is also the same thing, component dividend method, and how we solve the problems by using these logics. Please see, observe carefully. I will show the two methods as well how to solve the problem. See, observe carefully. This is the one method I am showing here. Observe carefully. Secant theta, because this is the logic, 1 by k is there, right? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 3, one thing. Therefore secant theta minus sorry for the interruption, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 3, because we know that this logic, by using this logic I am taking 3. Therefore I can written as secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by k. Here it is 1 by k is given, right? I could write as 1 by 3. Therefore here it is cancel tan theta, because plus minus sign is cancelled. 2 secant theta is equal to 2 to secant theta 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 plus 1 by 3. Therefore directly written 2 secant theta is equal to 3 plus 3 is 9. 9 directly written as 10 by 3. Okay, fine. 2 is equal to 5. Therefore secant theta is equal to 5 by 3, because already we know secant theta is inverse of cos. Therefore cos is equal to 5 by 3 by 5 is the answer for this question. Cos, because question is asking the cos thing, that's what I am editing the cos one only, or else apply this logic. Definitely this is the second term shortcut method. Wherever the cos present is coming, we need to apply this k square minus 1 2k k square plus 1. This is the k term. See friends, k term. Therefore 3 is 2k is 2 3 is 6, 3 to the 9 minus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 3 square, right, is 10. Therefore because question is asking cos theta, therefore 10 by 6 is the cos is nothing but a adjacent by hypotenuse 6 divided by 10. Therefore 3 the 2 3 the 5 the, therefore 3 and 5 is nothing but the same answer, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is nothing but the same answer. Like that we can easily solve any of the problems. Okay, next problem. Next problem, secant theta minus tan. Directly I am applying this logic. Okay, by using this logic already I told how come this triangle 2k k square minus 1 k square plus 1. Without wasting the time, what is the thing? K is the value is the 5 thing, 10. Therefore 25 minus 1 is 24, 25 plus 1 is 26. Therefore question is cancel sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta is nothing but a opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore opposite by hypotenuse 24 by 26 Okay, what is the cos theta here? Adjacent by hypotenuse 10 by 26. Therefore answer is 26 is the LCM for this kind. 24 plus is 34 by 36. Therefore if you multiply by 2, 17 by 13 is the answer for this question, for this kind of problem. Okay, next problem. If sine theta is equal, this is also same thing. I need to highlight one more important point is here for this kind. If any cos theta, cot theta and tan theta is coming, for tan theta problem is coming, apply this triangle logic. 2k k square minus 1 k square plus 1. For the cot theta one, please apply this logic. This is the 2k and irreversible, because k square plus 1 is the common thing here, but shifting over the things is the main important thing. Here given the question is cot thing, that's what I need to say. This one I am triangle, this one I am taking. Okay, what is the thing? 7 is the thing. 7 is nothing but a 49 minus 1 is 40, as well as 7 to the 14 and 47 7 the 14 and 41 plus okay, sorry, 7 7 the 14 and 41, 49 minus 48, this is the 49. Therefore sin theta is nothing but a opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is nothing but a 14 divided by, here I am written 14 divided by 49 plus sorry, here is the given question is minus cos theta adjacent is 48 divided by 49. Therefore 14 is the LCM. 48 minus 14 is the 34 minus, because greater sign is minus, therefore 34 minus 34 by 49 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. Okay, please observe, because I am not going to solve any of the, going to abbreviation any of the theorem. Here I am doing the ax plus by plus m. This is the thing. If any of the sin theta and cos theta is coming, apply this logic. What I mean to say, n is equal to n terms, a square plus b square minus m square. Like to apply this logic, definitely you could solve any of the problem. Directly I am applying this logic. This is the a term and this is the b term, 1 is the present, and this is the m term. Fine. The problem is now it is the n square, 1 square plus 1 square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Therefore answer is 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 3 by 2 plus square root of 3 by this is also square root, right? This is also square root 2. Therefore the thing is 4 minus 1 is the 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by root 2 is the answer for this question. If any sine plus minus cos theta and sin theta is equal to, please apply this formula. N is equal to root a square plus b square minus m square. If any of the problem, please observe carefully. This is the important thing. Wherever the problem is coming in trigonometry, apply using this logic. N is equal to root of a square plus b square minus m square. Okay, I will take one more problem here. I will wind up this session. Okay, 3 sin theta plus cos theta, same as it is, logic is there. N is equal to, this is the a term, directly I will written 9 plus 4 is nothing but a 16. Understand? Okay, this is the 5 term, m square, this is the 25 minus 25. Therefore root of 25 minus 25 cancel, 0 is the answer for this question. Fine, next problem. Okay, this is the thing, cosecant theta, cot theta. If any cosecant theta, cot theta, apply this logic here, apply this logic. You could solve any of the problem. Secant theta, cot theta, a square minus b square, directly applying this logic. 16, 4 square is nothing but a 16 minus 5 square is nothing but 25, because I am using c square is nothing but a, I am taking using, I know the one thing, 49 minus quotient square. Therefore here it is the 9. Fine, this is the thing is 49 minus it is the 9 is equal to 49 is quotient square. This is the quotient, don't confuse them because I am using the mouse, that's what highlighting here. Okay, this is the minus sign. Why? Because positive, because large sign is minus. Therefore 49 plus 9 is root of 58 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. Okay, this is also same kind of problem. If you are observe carefully, friends, observe carefully how to solve this kind of problems. If any problem is coming like this, 3 tan theta 4 can is equal to find this one, apply this logics. Tan is equal to a by b, tan is equal to a by b, that means this is the a term, this is the b term. What I mean to highlight here is okay, this is the phi, a plus b is the phi thing. Okay, I need to figure out, I need to find out this one. Fine. Okay, anyway, tan theta, I'm taking the first problem. Tan theta is equal to a by b. A is the thing is 3 by 4. Therefore I could write an as sin theta, tan theta as sin theta and cos theta. Therefore 3 by 4. Therefore now it is figure out this problem. Now the problem becomes sin theta is equal to 3, cos theta is equal to 4. 2 into sin theta, and that means 3 plus 3 into 4 cos theta, but nothing but a 4 only, and 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 6 plus 12 is nothing but a 6 plus 12 is 18, and as well as 9 plus 9 minus 8 is 1. 18 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. This is the one I need to highlight as this is the same kind of problem. Okay, I will do as well for this problem. Okay, this I am going to divide by 12 here. Okay, if I am divided by 12 here for this kind of problem, 15 divided by 12 sine cube theta, I could written as cube theta as sine theta sine square theta, understand, plus 20 by 12 cos theta cos square theta is equal to 1. Fine. Now the problem should be, how the problem should be, this is the one, a by b, we already I told, this is the 5 and 4 is equal to 1 is present, therefore sin theta should be created as 4 by 5. Okay, here it is also how much it is given, 5. Okay, 4 5 the 20, 4 5 the 20, 4 3 the, therefore cos theta become, if I inversely become 3 by 5, now it is coming. The question is asking about 10 sin theta. What is the 10 sin theta plus 15 cos theta? 10 is equal to sin theta is nothing but a 4 by 5 plus 15 is equal to, what is cos theta is nothing but 3 by 5. Therefore I will shift in go 5 3 the 5 2 the 8 plus 9 is nothing but a 17 is the answer for this question. Okay, fine. Next problem is nothing but the same, 48 cos theta. Fine, this is also same logic. I will make it as divided by 2, 25 7, and then make it as easy problem, make it as easy, you could solve any of the problem. Therefore tan theta is equal to 7 by a by b 24. Therefore the question is asking for the cot theta one, directly I have written as cot theta is inverse of this one. 24 by 7 is the answer for this question. Okay, next type of problem, this is the formula method problem. This is the very easy problem. If any sin theta 2 theta into 4 theta, the answer should be using this logic. This is the formula. Note down any of the things. If any of the examination question is coming like this, use this logic, you could easily solve. I am not going to elaborate all the problems, just I am taking the one problem. Anyway, this is the format of sin theta 2 theta sin 4 theta. I am applying directly. Sin 1 by 4 is equal to sin 3 theta is nothing but 3 sine 3, and here it is the, what is the theta is here? Theta is nothing but a 20 degree. 20 degrees sine theta is nothing but 20 degree. Therefore 1 by 4 sine 60 degree, 1 by 4. I'm solving only one problem because all the problem is nothing but the same. If you're applying the formula, that's what I'm not going to abbreviate anything. Root 3 by 2. Therefore root 3 by 8 is the answer. If you are liking this, root 3 by 8 is the answer. If you are liking this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe. If you have any thoughts in mind, please let me know in the comment section. These are the important problems what I need to cover in the trigonometry trophy. If you like this video, please share your friend as well, because I covered all the important problems only in trigonometry, because trigonometry is a very easy topic. If you are understanding the problem, definitely could solve any of the problem. If you need to apply the logic with respect to the formulas, definitely you could solve. And then next term is there, one more topic is there, the maximum minimum in the trigonometry. I will cover in the next video, try to cover in the next video. Please support our channel for the mathematics one, because it is a free video, because I am only guiding the knowledge from other books. If you want to refer the books, please use the books of Mirror Max, other things, as well as the open site has many more sites are present. Please all the problems in the trigonometry. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting our channel. Thank you very much.